How many batteries does your project actually need? Instead of guessing, waiting weeks for a quote, today I'm showing you the Fortress Power System Recommendation tool. It's free and gives you real recommendation in minutes. Let's build a project together, live. This is how it looks. First, it asks for your installation type. It can be residential or a small business. We will pick residential, and with that, single family home. Then it'll ask if this is an off-grid installation. We will put no because we have utility for this example. Then the main electrical panel. Is it 200 amps, the most common configuration in the US? Let's say yes. Then here's an important one. Are you backing up the whole panel or just a critical loads panel? For this example, we're going to back up the full 200 amps panel. Then you can choose if the installation will be indoors or outdoors. For this, we will pick outdoor. And last, whether you are going to be exporting energy to the grid or not. Right now, the tool supports just 120 and 240 system applications, but it will support 3-phase applications, coming soon. With that, we have the full project profile. Let's go ahead and put the loads. This will be the backup power that you will need. And you have two paths here. If you have no idea how much energy you will use, there are 3 preset packages. Eco for critical loads, Comfort for broader coverage, and Whole Home for full house backup applications. Right now, we're going with Comfort. But if you want to be more specific, and the more specific you are, better the calculation, you can go device by device and how many you have. Their power, their peak power, and how many hours will you use it through the day. And most come preloaded, so you can just adjust. And with all that info, we can click on Suggested System. And this is where everything gets good. And look, it doesn't give you just one option. It gives you several valid combinations of our products. An MB21 with 2 batteries, eBoost 16, the same setup, but with eForce batteries, or with 4 eFlex Maxes. They change depending on which battery do you want. We are going to the recommended one, MB2021 with 2 eBoost 16. And then we land on the final summary. Your loads, your system, your project profile, your available energy. And from here, we can generate a PDF document with all these reports, all our loads, and also all the system that we just selected. It also lets you jump into the wiring validator, another tool that we will cover on a separate video. Don't get stuck wondering how much energy you want. Just use this tool. It takes less time than watching this video.